Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your address in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. On the bottom right corner you can see this profile icon. You just tap on it and here you can see personal details and addresses. Tap on that and up here you can see personal details, your name, your address. But if you would like to change on it, you can see this right side, that pencil icon. And if you tap on that pencil icon, it opens to your address. And if you would like to change the name where you are, for who you are ordering, or the address, for example, your street, would you like to change, then you just change it easily. And on the top right corner, you can save it. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.